Hello everyone. Today I would like you to meet somebody. Somebody or something. I just want you to meet the Wonderbike. Here's the Wonderbike. We had not named this bike, but just call it its name, Wonderbike. This is our very first motorcycle. This has been with us for almost 6 years. This has served us well when we were in Talisay, the first place where we stayed. Yeah, we get around with this motorcycle. We moved here in June. Yeah, I guess June 2014, and this is our service. And then he decided to get a bigger bike because, as you can see, it is small, very small for him. So we got the MX, MS 200, the Motor Star. I will try to find if I have picture of that, and I will show it to you. Yeah, we got that in 2015, and then we still have this one until today. Then decided again to get another bike. So we sold the Motor Star bike, and we got Wanda. It's right there. Yeah, we got Wanda in 2017, and it's been over 2 years with us since we lived together as a couple. This has been with us ever since, and we decided to, because we don't use it anymore, so we decided to sell it. He had been wanting to sell this thing, but I did not say yes. I don't want to get rid of this because I am a sentimental fool. I don't want this to go, but then recently I realized that we're just wasting it. It's money sitting without use. So we're putting it up for sale, and the other day we take out all the plastics of this thing and washed the body. I don't know what's this called, but we washed this part, we cleaned it up, and then there was almost a tank full of gas in here, and we drained it and changed a new one, a fresh one. We bought a few liters of gasoline, and it's fine, it's working very good. Then tonight he said that we're gonna put all those plastic pieces back on, and yeah, good luck to us. It won't be easy. Well, we saved all the screws, the bolts and whatnots. We saved them in separate, this side in a separate container, and that side, on the other side, it's in a separate container. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. We're selling it. It's been there sitting for a while and doing nothing, so I just what's this, how should I say it, like, I opened my mind, I opened my heart, and I'm willing now to let it go. So yeah, it's pretty. I will show you what's this, I will take a video again after we put on all those pieces back. And yeah, this is Wanda. No, this is the Wonderbike. I will show the other side. This is the front, this is the other side. Now this is how Wonderbike looks like after we put all the plastic pieces together back on. Ombre art. Wonderbike. Whoa! Yeah. That is how it looks like. The seat has cracked.